Okay, now here's the graph paper tool compared to the table tool. Okay, the graph paper tool is good. For example, here I'm creating a chessboard, and if you look at these two graphic here, it's actually almost the same. Actually, it is the same, but the structure of the lines is different. Okay, so but before that, I'm just going to delete this first and delete this one too, to show you how to do the graph paper and the table tool. So the graph paper is this one here. It's under the shapes, and it's this one here, graph paper. Okay, so now when you click on the graph paper, you're gonna have some the paper columns and rows here. Okay, let's just make that 4 columns and 4 rows. Okay, now I already set that, and then I hold down Control and then I click and drag. So once again, this is my graph paper. Okay. Now I'll go to my table tool, which is this one here, the table tool. So I click on my table tool, and in the properties here, I'll make this 4 rows. Okay, same with the graph paper, and then also 4 columns. Okay. Now same thing, I hold down Control and I click and drag. Okay. Okay, these two are very identical. Okay, but what if I want to create an alternating, boxes here, like the chessboard, and this is my table tool. So it's easy to do that in the graph paper. So I click on it, the graph paper, and I click on Arrange, and I click on Ungroup All. Okay, so once I ungroup all, see, these ones are separate objects now. Okay, just going to undo that, undo. Okay, I'm just going to select the alternating boxes. Hold down Control, select this. Okay, this, I'm going to select this one. I'll make it say black. Hold down this one, hold down Shift. Okay, I'm selecting the alternate boxes, and there you go. So that's the graph paper. Now if I'm going to do that to the table tool, I can't really do that quickly. So see, if I click on my table tool and I click on Arrange and break table apart, okay, and let's see how it, yeah, see, I can't, it's still intact. Okay, but I still can do it by going to Arrange and Ungroup All. Okay, but the problem is when I click on Ungroup All, okay, the lines were ungrouped, so it's not in the boxes now. Okay, so that's the difference between the graph paper and the table tool. But I can still do it by using the Smart Fill tool. See, if I click on Smart Fill, I just click, or before doing that, I click on my Smart Fill. I'll specify the color to black, and I'll just click, 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 and click. Okay, that was fast too. Okay, so it has advantages and disadvantages. But the advantage of the table tool, then I have to see that one's separate now, so it's not an object here. So as long as you understand the use of the table tool and the graph paper, that would be good.